Hey guys, I'm Faisal from Faisal Auto Experts, and today we're saying goodbye to the old look of our Aqua. This is a 2012 cluster, and today we're going to install 2018 into our 2012 model. Is it truly plug and play? Let's find out. Friends, are you tired of the boring dashboard in your old 2012 Toyota Aqua? In today's video, we're doing an incredible upgrade. We're swapping out the outdated 2012 cluster for the latest 2018 TFT digital meter. From how the conversion works and the wiring adjustments needed to the total cost, you'll see it all in this video. So, make sure to watch until the end. First, let's look at the difference. The meters from 2012 to 2014 were quite basic. However, the 2018 meter isn't just visually stunning, it also provides better fuel economy data, hybrid battery details, and modern animations. It gives your car's interior a completely fresh look. Important note: if you aren't comfortable with wiring, always consult a professional electrician, because hybrid systems are very sensitive. Now that we've installed the meter, take a look. All the lights are working perfectly. Eco mode, EV mode, and the temperature gauge, everything is accurate. Best of all, the animations and colors now look exactly like the 2018 model. So guys, that was a simple upgrade that makes a 10-year-old Aqua feel brand new. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and let me know in the comments what other upgrades you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe. Which do you prefer, the old Aqua meter or this new digital display? Let me know in the comments below.